I've just got something in the mail that I'd love to show to you. And there they are, the Brainstorm Booster Cards. So this is a set of cards that I've designed as a tool to add some creativity to do your brainstorm sessions when you design a learning experience. So they are great for generating original ideas, to set goals, to think about the learning outcome. And there are all sorts of words on these, and you can use them to get inspired to think about the things you want to see for your learner or the things you don't want to see for your learner. So yeah, I'm going to test these next week on a trip. The Brainstorm Booster Cards will be put to the test, and I will let you know how it all went. And if it works really well, who knows, maybe I'll make them available to all of you out there. So we'll see what happens.